What if I told you that Apple has been hiding a product in plain sight for nearly 6 years, waiting for the exact right moment to unleash it? That moment is now. The HomePod Mini 2 is real, is coming this fall, and everything you thought you knew about Apple's smallest smart speaker is about to change. Look, I get it. The original HomePod Mini launched back in October 2020, and since then Apple has basically ignored it. A couple of new colors in 2021? Sure, but meaningful hardware upgrades? Absolutely nothing. For 6 years, the same S5 chip that powered the Apple Watch Series 5 has been sitting inside that adorable little sphere on your desk. That is ancient history by tech standards. But here is what most people do not understand. Apple was not being lazy. Apple was not abandoning the HomePod Mini. Apple was waiting. They were waiting for the one thing that could actually justify a new smart speaker. And that one thing is Apple Intelligence. The rebuilt Siri. The version of Siri that actually understands you, actually remembers what you said 5 minutes ago, and actually controls your entire home without making you want to throw the speaker out the window. And according to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, the hardware for the HomePod Mini 2 has been ready for months. Apple has been sitting on finished hardware, deliberately holding it back until the new Siri AI was polished enough to ship alongside it. That tells you everything you need to know about how important this product actually is to Apple's roadmap. Let me paint you the full picture. The HomePod Mini 2 is expected to launch during Apple's Fall 2026 event, likely in September or October, right alongside the iPhone 18 Pro, the Apple Watch Series 12, and potentially even the new Apple TV 4K. This is not going to be a quiet press release update. This is going to be a center stage announcement that kicks off Apple's biggest smart home push in the company's entire history. And that brings me to the design. If you're hoping for some radical sci-fi redesign, I need to level with you. Nearly every major report says Apple is keeping the spherical mesh-covered shape that made the original HomePod Mini so iconic. It works. It looks good on a shelf, it looks good on a desk, and honestly, when you have a design that people genuinely love, why mess with it? But do not think for a second that means nothing has changed visually. Multiple reports point to a brand new red finish joining the existing color lineup. Not just any red either. We are talking about a deep cherry red that matches the rumored dark cherry finish on the iPhone 18 Pro. Imagine a rich, luxurious crimson sphere that actually looks like a premium piece of home decor, rather than just another black or white tech gadget blending into the background. This is Apple doing what Apple does best, taking something functional and making it genuinely desirable as an object. And if you already have Apple products in your home, matching your HomePod Mini 2 to your cherry red iPhone 18 Pro is exactly the kind of ecosystem flex that keeps people locked into the Apple garden. Now let us get under the hood, because that is where things get genuinely exciting. The current HomePod Mini runs on Apple's S5 chip, which debuted in 2019 inside the Apple Watch Series 5. Let that sink in for a second. A 7-year-old chip powering a speaker that is supposed to handle voice commands, smart home processing, and computational audio. It is honestly impressive that it works as well as it does. But the HomePod Mini 2 is expected to make an enormous leap forward, jumping all the way to the S10 chip, or potentially even the S11. We're talking about a processor that is not just faster, but fundamentally built for the AI era. The S10 chip, which already powers the latest Apple Watch models, includes a dedicated neural engine that can handle on-device machine learning tasks without breaking a sweat. And that extra horsepower is not just about making Siri respond a tiny bit faster. It is about enabling the completely rebuilt Siri experience that Apple has been developing for years. We're talking about a Siri that can maintain conversational context across multiple requests. A Siri that understands personal references like who your mom is, where your office is, what your calendar looks like next Tuesday. A Siri that can control your smart home devices with an understanding of what you actually want rather than just reacting to specific trigger phrases. This is the version of Siri that Apple promised us when they first introduced the original HomePod. And it took them this long to actually deliver it. But wait, there is something even bigger happening with connectivity that most leaks have barely touched. The HomePod Mini 2 is expected to feature Apple's latest in-house wireless hardware, including an upgraded Wi-Fi chip, Bluetooth enhancements, and a significantly improved ultra-wideband chip for seamless handoff between your Apple devices. What does that actually mean in the real world? It means when you walk into your house listening to a podcast on your iPhone, the audio transfer to your HomePod Mini 2 will be instantaneous and flawless. No more waiting, no more stuttering connections, no more swearing at your phone while it figures out which speaker to play on. It means AirPlay will finally work the way it was always supposed to work. And for smart home enthusiasts, this is even bigger news. The upgraded wireless hardware enables full thread border router capability with improved Matter protocol support, which essentially means the HomePod Mini 2 can serve as the central brain for your entire smart home regardless of what brands you are using. Philips Hue lights, Eve smart plugs, Nanoleaf panels, August smart locks. If they support Thread or Matter, the HomePod Mini 2 connects them all and manages them locally without needing to ping a cloud server every time you want to turn off the living room lights. That local processing is where Apple's privacy advantage really shines. Unlike Google and Amazon smart speakers that send your voice commands to their servers for processing, Apple is expected to handle significantly more voice processing directly on the S10 chip inside the HomePod Mini 2 itself. Your requests stay on your device. Your conversations stay private. And that is genuinely a differentiator that no other smart speaker manufacturer can reliably claim at this price point. Now let us talk about sound quality, because at the end of the day, this is still a speaker, and if it does not sound good, none of the smart features matter. The original HomePod Mini was genuinely impressive for its size. It used a single full-range driver paired with dual passive radiators to produce surprisingly room-filling sound with decent bass response that defied its tiny footprint. But it has been 6 years, and computational audio has come an incredibly long way. The HomePod Mini 2 is expected to refine the acoustic architecture significantly, not through a radical redesign of the speaker components themselves, but through dramatically more powerful computational audio processing enabled by the S10 chip. Think about what that means. Apple can analyze the acoustics of your room in real time, adjusting the equalization, bass response, and stereo imaging to match the exact space the speaker is sitting in. They can compensate for walls, furniture, carpet, hard floors, all of it, in milliseconds, so the music sounds perfectly tuned no matter where you put the HomePod Mini 2. The original HomePod Mini could do a basic version of this, but the S10 chip's processing power means the correction can be far more sophisticated, updating in real time as conditions change. If you pair two HomePod Mini 2 units together in a stereo configuration, the difference is expected to be night and day compared to the original. The improved wireless hardware means near-zero latency between the left and right channels, and the enhanced computational audio can create a much wider and more convincing virtual soundstage. For a speaker that is still going to be small enough to fit in the palm of your hand, the sound quality improvements alone could justify the upgrade for anyone who actually listens to music at home. But I need to address the elephant in the room, and that elephant is the price tag. The original HomePod Mini launched at $99, which was genuinely aggressive pricing from Apple. It undercut the competition from Sonos and occupied a sweet spot where people felt comfortable, buying one for their kitchen and maybe a second one for the bedroom. Those days are over. Multiple reports now point to the HomePod Mini 2 launching at $129, a $30 price increase that reflects the brutal reality of the current hardware market. DRAM prices alone reportedly rose 98% in the first quarter of 2026, driven by unprecedented demand for AI capab, low memory chips across the entire tech industry. Apple is not immune to these pressures, and we have already seen price hikes across their entire product lineup. The full-size HomePod jumped from $299 to $349. The Apple TV 4K reportedly got hit with an even steeper increase. In that context, a $30 bump on the HomePod Mini 2 honestly feels almost restrained. At $129, Apple still positions this as the most affordable entry point into their smart home ecosystem. And when you factor in the S10 chip, the rebuilt Siri AI, the Thread and Matter support, and the refined sound quality, the value proposition actually holds up. Compare this to what you would spend on a Sonos Era 100 around $250 or an Amazon Echo Studio at $200. And the HomePod Mini 2 at $129 suddenly looks like one of the better deals in the premium smart speaker category. But I have to be honest with you. If you were hoping for that same $99 price point, you are going to be disappointed. Those days are simply not coming back. Now here's where the story gets even more interesting, because the HomePod Mini 2 is not launching in isolation. It is part of Apple's biggest ever push into the smart home. And that push includes a device that has never existed before. Apple is reportedly launching something called the Home Hub or HomePad, depending on which leak you believe, and it represents a completely new product category for the company. Imagine a 7-inch touchscreen smart display that combines the functionality of an iPad with the audio capabilities of a HomePod, all running a custom home OS that is built from the ground up for controlling your smart home, making FaceTime calls, checking your calendar, and interacting with the new Siri AI. It is Apple's answer to the Amazon Echo Show and Google Nest Hub, but with a privacy-first, design-forward approach that only Apple can deliver. The Home Hub is expected to feature an A18 processor capable of running Apple Intelligence features locally, a built-in camera for FaceTime, and magnetic mounting options for tabletop stands or wall mounts. And the smart home lineup does not stop there. Apple is also working on a Face ID-enabled video doorbell that scans your face to unlock your front door, an Apple-branded home security camera with end-to-end encrypted video, a smart home sensor that detects occupancy and automates your lights and climate, and of course, the updated Apple TV 4K with an A17 Pro chip and ray tracing for gaming. The HomePod Mini 2 is the glue that ties this entire ecosystem together. It is the affordable thread border router that sits in every room, connecting all your devices, processing your voice commands locally, and serving as the entry point for Apple Intelligence throughout your home. That is the vision Apple has been building toward, and 2026 is the year it all comes together. But I want to zoom in on Siri specifically because this is the make or break feature for the HomePod Mini 2.